Another month, no star seller. I am so freaking close. Etsy, why? Well, here you go, folks. What you been waiting for? Etsy star seller badge. It's perfect for sellers, right? I don't know. The jury still is out on it. Y'all, I've been trying my hardest to get this star seller badge. Despite everything, I still have not gotten it. And my messages response is I am responding to everybody as soon as they email me. I don't know. It's saying I haven't. It's saying I got 2 messages. They got a reply after 24 hours. I don't think so. I even went in there and made sure that I marked spam for those that were spammers because I didn't respond to them. That's a little tip. If you have someone that's spamming you, you can mark it as spam and that's supposed to not affect your message response rate. I don't know. And another one is what Etsy is saying. Go ahead and download the app. I have the app on my phone. They just won't let a sister be great. And over here, I'm so mad about it. It's saying 7 orders shipped late. So my printer is not getting my stuff out on time for some of my orders. And it's maybe like a day late or something like that. And it's driving me nuts. And the other thing that I noticed with this is I actually had the wrong time frame in my Etsy listing for how long it would take. So I take the blame for that. I'm the owner, right? So I'm just going to show this page to you because it tells you what are the rewards that comes with being a star seller. Well, first of all, guys, you can stand out from the crowd. And you also have more chances to be featured. Etsy is going to start promoting star sellers to buyers starting later this year. Who knows when? And the opportunity for increased sales. Research shows that a great customer experience matters to buyers, which could lead to more sales and growth. Well, I really love my buyers, but people who message me asking if I can reduce the price or whatever message they want to message me, I give them the information, even offer them a custom coupon. Do you think they buy with me? The answer would be no. And I replied to their messages immediately. So when Etsy Star Seller first came out, a lot of sellers had a lot of questions. So what Etsy did was they created like a FAQ type of thing, right? And this is in your shop manager. You can get to it. I have a little star there. So what does it mean to be a star seller on Etsy? What Etsy is trying to do is they're trying to recognize and reward Etsy sellers who are providing that excellent world-class customer experience. Notice I did not say customer service because customer service and customer experience are 2 different things. The customer experience is from the door all the way to the end, the entire experience. Now, the customer service is just bare minimum in my opinion. We want our customers to have a wonderful experience in all interactions with us as the shop owner. They just started this thing back in September, but dude, I just feel like I'm not gonna get it. I try to remain optimistic, but I'm so frustrated. And they have some terms there. How do you become a star seller? There are some criteria, of course. And they're letting you know how often it'll be evaluated. They look at this on the 1st of every month. And again, that goes back to September. And they look at the last 3 months of how your shop has performed. Some things that they consider is your message response rate. How fast are you replying to those initial messages that you receive in your inbox? They want it to be within 24 hours. And so in order for you to even meet the basic criteria for the response rate, it has to be 95%. Everything has to be 95%. No slacking whatsoever, or you are not a star, according to Etsy. The shipping. 95% or more of your orders ship within the stated processing time. And the other caveat to that, guys, is you need to have that tracking on there or purchase a shipping label through Etsy. And as we know, to add that tracking, that's some additional cost. So I think what they're trying to do, this is just my perception, is they're trying to either encourage sellers to utilize their shipping labels, you see where I'm going here, or pay for tracking through whoever they ship through. I think it's more so that they want you to use Etsy. 5-star ratings. 95% or more of your reviews have a 5-star rating. I've only received one negative review, and I accept it because I did not do a QA check with that vendor on a particular color. This color was specific to an organization. That color was off, and that buyer was upset. I do not typically do refunds, but I accept the cost of that. I accept the mistake, didn't blame it on anybody else but myself, and I offered that buyer a full refund and a coupon to shop with me in the future. And the other thing is your orders, your sale, and tenure. You must have maintained 10 orders and around $300 in sales, depending on your shop currency. And that is before shipping and before taxes in that 3-month review period. And you have to have been on Etsy's platform for 90 days since your first sale. So there's a few things as it comes with those new shop owners. You may not be eligible to become a star seller right away because there are some things that you must meet in terms of criteria before you can even be considered to be a star seller. Okay, and they do update this stuff daily. So you know, I check it daily. And what they're saying is the carrier or post office delays will not negatively impact your score. However, it can impact your 5-star rating because your customer may not be very happy about a delay. And believe it or not, folks, even though I inform every buyer that shipping is outside of my control, they may hold you, the shop owner, responsible for package delays by the post office or whatever carrier you use. Yep. Yep. And also cancel and digital orders won't be included in the score either. So I know a lot of shop sellers are digital, meaning that they do like PNGs or different type of digital files that they're selling, which is awesome. So that won't be included in their score. I think there's some more to that. I don't do digital products, so I would have to do some more research. So let me know down in the comments if you have a digital store and you want to know more about how digital shop owners, how Star Seller affects digital shop owners. I will do the research and put out a video for you. And yeah, pretty much, guys, pretty much. And this was a big one that came about of, I struggled with it too. I was like, dang, this person sent me several messages. Do I need to reply to each one of those messages or what? Because sometimes a buyer will message you more than once. Maybe they have a follow-up or something, or maybe they're just saying thank you. So now I gotta go and say, oh no, thank you. If it's the initial message, which I don't mind, customer service there for me. But if they ask me 2 different questions and 2 different messages, I was initially replying to that until I looked at this FAQ, and it tells me they're just looking at that ongoing, that first message, not ongoing. And also, I mentioned this before, messages you marked as spam won't be counted towards your response rate. Marking a convo unread doesn't restart the clock or count a message you've replied to as new again. So that's good to know. And we talked about some of those benefits. And we don't know in the future if Etsy is going to start favoring those star sellers in terms of how you rank in search. So I think they probably will, but we shall see. And they just explain here as how they came about coming up with this criteria. And they said that they used research from their buyers to come up with it. It wasn't just something that came up pulled out of thin air. They're saying they used data and research to come out with this particular criteria. Okay, girl. And I know a lot of people want to know if any additional criteria will be introduced over time. And Etsy is saying that it's more than likely that, there may be some changes to the program, but that they will let us sellers know in advance of any additional or updates to the criteria. And again, I talked about this a little bit earlier. At this time, star seller does not impact your search ranking. I like to read between the lines, and I see at this time. They don't say it's not ever going to, so do you on that one. How can I view data on individual orders? So you saw when I clicked on my thing up here, I could see they're not there yet. I could get a file, that Excel spreadsheet, to see what was going on with it. And that's what they're telling you. You can see what was impacted. Now, I want all of my sellers to know that you can fill out a survey so that you can let Etsy know how you feel about this. Do you feel it's fair? Let me know in the comments. Do you feel that this is an accurate representation of you as a shop owner? Is it? Or is it not? Let me know in the comments, and be sure to complete that survey to let Etsy know. Okay? And I wish you happy shopping. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you have not already, and comment down in the comments below. Let me know what you think and what are your thoughts about this Etsy Star Seller badge. What y'all think? It's good? Not good? And keep in touch, guys. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll be putting out more videos. And another thing that I'll be doing is I will be highlighting some businesses. So let me know also in the comment, what is your business? Share with me, share your Instagram handle, and I'm going to be selecting some people once a week, some businesses that I will be highlighting. Take care, and I wish you all the best and happy selling.